On this short quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat save in chat option not showing. First thing you have to do is go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you have to do is scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it. When you click on Snapchat, click here on force stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on data usage. Now right here, all what you want to do is disable the background data and the roaming data. Go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it, and then go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS, search for Snapchat and update it. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.